Since I'm using a t-shirt here, I'm going to snip the edges just a little bit so that I can tuck this design a little bit down into the pocket. That way, if the t-shirt pocket dips down at all while the shirt is slack, you won't be able to see the bottom of the flowers. Just peel and stick your design onto the shirt and smooth it out. Then grab an embroidery hoop, loosen the top ring just enough to fit it down over the bottom. And then go ahead and tighten up the screw, but don't pull the t-shirt too much in the hoop. Since the t-shirt is stretchy, we don't want to overstretch it. Now I'm doing a back stitch all the way to the top of the flower, so you make a stitch, then skip a stitch length, and take your needle and go back down into the hole of the last stitch. This is a basic back stitch. I'm doing it with 3 strands here, and then we're going to whip it. Instead of using the pointy end of my needle, which can sometimes snag the design, we're going to send the eye of the needle under each stitch to create a whipped back stitch. Simply slide your needle under each stitch that you've stitched, making sure you come from the same side each time, and then send it back down through the fabric and tie it off in the back.